Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of April. And first of all, national news. Venkaiah Naidu, Mithun Chakrabarti, Usha Uthup, Ram Naik conferred Padma Awards. Rajnath Singh visited Siachen, reviewed military preparedness. Odisha recorded maximum temperature of 44.6 degrees Celsius. Summer vacation announced for schools. No heat wave, but temperature likely to hit 40 degrees Celsius in next 3 days, IMD. Court directed AIMS to constitute medical board to examine Arvind Kejriwal. Centers action after Indian spice brands banned in Hong Kong, Singapore. Now, international news. Rishi Sunak said first migrant flight from UK to Rwanda will leave in 10 to 12 weeks. Israeli military intelligence chief resigned over failure to prevent Hamas' October 7 attack. Iranian President Raisi arrived in Pakistan on 3-day official visit. North Korea fired missile into ocean in its latest weapons launch, South Korea said. Now some sports news. India's Gukesh D made history, became youngest to win candidates chess tournament. Virat Kohli fined 50% of match fees for showing dissent at umpire's decision. Candidates' chess 7th round loss gave me energy, motivation to aim for title, Gukesh said. Business related news. Personal income tax surge lift direct taxes past 2023-24 goal. Reliance Zio quarter 4 net profit rose over 13% to rupees 5,337 crore. Reliance Industries announced dividend of rupees 10 for financial year 2023 to 24. Dubai airport full schedule resumed after flooding chows. And that's all in news. Thank you.